Hey fashionistas, I'm Anna and welcome back to Splengo Fashion. Here, we explore the latest trends, style inspiration, and exclusive insights into the world of fashion. Today, I've got a story that's going to sweep you off your feet and into the dazzling world of red carpets and high fashion. Picture this. The lights dim, the cameras flash, and the whispers rise. No, that's not Sally Bowles from Cabaret gracing the red carpet. It's Emma Corrin. You might know Emma as the Emmy-nominated star of The Crown and A Murder at the End of the World. Recently, Emma's stepping into the Marvel universe, playing the villainous Cassandra Nova in the upcoming Deadpool and Wolverine, hitting theaters July 26th. To kick off the film's promotion, Emma made a grand entrance at a Berlin screening and fan event, and their outfit was nothing short of a fashion fairy tale. Picture this. Emma, alongside their stylist Harry Lambert, chose a mesmerizing black ensemble from the Saint Laurent Fall Winter 24 ready-to-wear collection. The dress? Oh, it's a silky dream. Imagine a sharp-shouldered mini dress with a mock neck that wraps like a scarf around Emma's nape, morphing into a pleated, long-sleeved garment, elegantly belted at the waist. The silhouette was sharp, dramatic, and absolutely stunning. But here's where the cabaret magic truly danced into the spotlight down low, where the dress seamlessly connected to a pair of sheer stockings, tucked into tall, glossy patent leather heels. The ensemble whispered tales of vintage glamour and modern elegance all at once. And then, there was the hair. Emma's usual dark auburn locks were transformed into a jet-black, choppy dew, adding a rebellious edge to the look. It was a bold move, perfectly in tune with the supervillain theme, and it took everyone by surprise, setting the tone for an unforgettable press tour. The finishing touches? A pair of golden huggy earrings from Cartier, subtly echoing the gold hardware on their belt. It was a detail that tied the whole look together, proving that even villains can look fabulously chic. Emma Corrin's red carpet moment wasn't just an outfit. It was a story, a performance, a statement. It's moments like these that remind us why we love fashion. It's not just about clothes. It's about expression, creativity, and stepping into a character, even if just for a night. Stay tuned for more enchanting fashion stories and style inspirations right here on Splengo Fashion. Until next time, keep shining, fashion lovers.